Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about my 42-inch LED light bars that on top of my truck bumper. I had made a video on the actual installation, but for some reason I can't find it now. So I'm just gonna do a point out of how it was done, since I can't find the actual installation video, and this should give you a pretty good idea of how it's done. So this is my 2005 Dodge Dakota, and the front bumper I have installed my 42-inch LED curve bar. Now when you measure it, it looked like it won't fit in that little bumper gap, so that's why everybody's been questioning how you do it, how you do it, how you do it. So this is the bracket that came with it right here. Let me get a light. This is the bracket that came with the bar, the original, but if you put it facing downward, it wouldn't fit. So what I did was I went to Home Depot, an 1.5 inch wide L-shaped bracket, and what I've done is you pretty much find how you want to line up you pretty much want to find how you lined up the bar with your bumper. So pretty much the curved center hit pretty much where the bumper is curved center to. You hook up the bracket, and then you kind of semi-tighten it, and you put it in an angle to suit where it fits in the bumper right here. And then you'll have the overlap from the bracket here. All I did was mark it, so you put a line. Same thing over here, put a line, and then you just take it and you cut the angle of that bracket off so it's not thick enough to hurt anyone. And then when you finish, you just pretty much level the bar, mark the holes where you want it, pre-drill. I pre-drill into the plastic of the bumper, but there's also a double-sided piece. Let me see if I can give you a better look. It's raining when I'm doing this, of course, so right there you have an idea of where it's clamped. So this thing does not move or shake when I'm on the highway or driving or anything. It's pretty sturdy. For the installation, it's simple. I put in the relay grounded to the frame, lights hooked up, and the switch wires ran to right inside. So that's pretty much how easy that is to do. And then when the bumper is closed, it pretty much looks like it's stock. This one came with the remote, if I can find it. There we go. And I also did something. So when I bought this LED bar, it came with two small, 4 inches, other LED pod lights, and everybody pretty much hooked them up to the reverse light, but I decided to do a little something different. I hooked it up to my cargo box light that's in there, but I hooked it up to the wire that's being run. And I have a truck cap on, so it actually makes it work in my favor. But the way it's done, yeah, don't mind my board in the back, is that it works with the cargo switch on the inside. So that way, if I wanna use my work light, I don't have to have the reverse on. I just simply hit the cargo button, and my light stays on with the cargo button. And then I go and I turn it off, and it comes up. The good thing about that is the switch is right next to your hand, so when you reverse and if you need the extra light, you can just hit it and use it as a reverse light. And if you're just in the back chilling and you need some light, you can just hit the switch and it will stay on. So any questions, just post it below. I'll do my best to answer it. Alright, ciao. Have a good one.